Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and forget password or reset your password on Sling application on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store and go to the search bar and simply search for Sling. Once you do that, simply go ahead and tap on this application right over here, download and install it onto your device and click on open. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on your sign in, and now in order for you to reset your password, just tap on forgot password. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you for your email that is connected with the account. Simply go ahead and enter your email and click on send, and they will send a verification code that will simply go ahead and help you reset your password once you enter the code back into the application. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll